Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and this video is about double angle formula. This is something that's taught during A-level maths, I'm pretty sure in other countries as well. But in United Kingdom, normally in a textbook you're given these three formulas when talking about this topic. So the your first formula is sine of 2a, which I've highlighted here, is sine of 2a is just 2 sine of a cos of a, and then you've got a second formula which is cos of 2a, continuing, and then that's going to be equal to cos squared a minus sine squared a equals to 2 cos squared a minus 1, and that's going to be equal to minus 1 minus 2 sine squared a. And the third one, which is the tan formula, so tan of 2a is going to be equal to 2 tan of a over 1 minus tan squared a. But the bit that I'm interested in and I kind of want to go through is something that I encountered when I was teaching one of my students, as I'm a tutor, A-level tutor, and they was not sure where this bit comes from. Sorry, they're not sure how to get this or this, and they don't know where that comes from, so I'm going to go through it today. So we know that the basic formula is cos squared a plus sine squared a is equals to 1. And then we want to find how do we get this and this. So looking at this formula here, we have cos squared a minus sine squared a. So the way we can do this, we can get in terms of sine squared a or cos squared a, and then that gives us either this one or the other one. So let's find what cos squared a is. So if we say cos squared a is equal to 1 minus sine squared a, and then what we do, we just go back and substitute into the main formula. So the main formula is cos squared a minus sine squared a, which is from here. And then we have, we know what that cos squared a in this case is 1 minus sine squared a minus sine squared a. This is going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared a. And this is what we have here. So now if we do for the second one, so this case we got in terms of sine squared a, but if we say that sine squared a is equals to 1 minus cos squared a, and we use this formula one more time, so we say cos squared a minus sine squared a is equals to, then we obviously, what we do is just substitute. So we're going to have cos squared a minus 1 minus cos squared a. And then what this gives you is just cos squared a minus 1 plus cos squared a. And then at the end you have 2 cos squared a minus 1. So you can see how we got the first one, which is here, and how we got a second one, which is given also here.